Welcome back to Architect's Haven. Today, we're going beyond just drafting and design. We're breaking down the 10 essential tools that every architect should have in their toolkit. These aren't just tools for beginners. These are the industry-standard resources that help you at every stage of the design and building process. Whether you're sketching initial concepts or finalizing construction details, these tools will transform the way you work and think about architecture. Let's explore each one in depth so you can master the craft from concept to construction. First, let's talk about the foundation of architectural design: sketching tools. Even in today's digital age, sketching remains a vital part of the design process. It's the fastest way to visualize ideas without the limitations of software. I always recommend keeping a variety of pencils in your toolkit. For rough, early-stage concepts, softer pencils like 2B or 4B allow for fluid, expressive lines. But as you begin refining your design, switch to harder pencils like H or 2H for cleaner, more precise lines. Mechanical pencils are another favorite, offering a consistent line thickness for technical drawing. Tracing paper is incredibly important too. You'll often find yourself layering different iterations of the same idea, testing how each adjustment changes the design. You can quickly sketch over your original drawing without having to start from scratch. This saves time and fosters experimentation. Pens also come in handy for ink drawings, whether it's for client presentations or refining key ideas. Sketchbooks are your portable studio. And trust me, inspiration can strike anywhere, so always keep one close by. Drafting tables are a timeless essential. They've been used by architects for centuries, and for good reason. The key benefit of a drafting table is its versatility. Most models are height adjustable, allowing you to switch between sitting and standing positions, which can greatly reduce strain during long hours of work. Additionally, the tilt function helps you adjust the angle to suit your needs, whether you're sketching, reviewing blueprints, or even using it as a standing desk for your laptop. Some tables come with built-in rulers or T-squares, making it easier to draft precise lines. Others have storage compartments, allowing you to organize your tools efficiently. High-quality drafting tables provide the support you need for technical drawings and detailed hand sketches, offering a smooth surface that's stable and easy to work on. Moving into the digital realm, let's talk about CAD software. This is where architecture gets technical. AutoCAD is perhaps the most widely used CAD tool for two-dimensional drafting and detailed construction drawings. It's perfect for creating precise floor plans, elevations, and sections. With its robust toolset, you can ensure that every measurement, line, and annotation is accurate to the last millimeter. AutoCAD's layer system allows you to keep track of various components like electrical plans, furniture layouts, and structural elements all in one file. Rhino, on the other hand, is a three-dimensional powerhouse. If you're working with organic shapes or complex geometries, think parametric architecture or sculptural designs, Rhino's flexible modeling environment is unmatched. It's commonly used for everything from concept design to fabrication-ready models. The precision you can achieve with Rhino's NURBS, non-uniform rational B-splines modeling system, is perfect for custom facades, intricate joinery, and even furniture design. Then there's SketchUp, which is great for fast conceptual modeling. SketchUp's strength lies in its simplicity. Within minutes, you can pull together basic three-dimensional forms and start testing out spatial relationships. It's ideal for communicating early design concepts to clients, giving them an immediate sense of scale and proportion. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is more than just a design tool. It's a comprehensive platform for managing the entire lifecycle of a building. Revit is one of the most popular BIM tools, and it's revolutionized how architects collaborate with engineers, contractors, and clients. With Revit, you're not just drawing lines, you're creating intelligent components that know their role within the building. For example, walls in Revit aren't just surfaces, they contain data about materials, insulation, and structural properties. This means any changes you make will automatically update throughout the entire model, from your two-dimensional plans to your three-dimensional sections and elevations. BIM is incredibly valuable for project coordination. In large projects, multiple teams are often working simultaneously. Structural engineers, mechanical engineers, and architects all need to be on the same page. With BIM, everyone can work on the same model, ensuring that changes made to one system, like HVAC, are instantly reflected across all other components. This minimizes errors and reduces the need for costly revisions later on. Additionally, BIM models contain valuable data that extends beyond the design phase, supporting the entire construction process and even long-term building maintenance. Accurate measurements are the backbone of any architectural project. Traditional tape measures are great for smaller, detailed measurements like cabinetry or interior dimensions, but for larger areas, a laser distance measurer can save you a lot of time. These devices work by sending out a laser beam and calculating the distance based on how long it takes for the beam to return. They're incredibly accurate, often to within a millimeter, and can measure distances over 100 meters. Some models can even calculate areas and volumes, making them useful for site surveys or interior layouts. A key feature of many modern laser distance measurers is Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to sync your measurements directly with your CAD software. This reduces human error and speeds up the process of translating on-site data into your digital drawings. For architects who are often working across multiple sites, having a reliable set of measuring tools is absolutely essential. When it comes to digital sketching, graphic tablets like Wacom offer the best of both worlds, combining the tactile feel of traditional drawing with the flexibility of digital tools. A stylus gives you incredible control, making it easy to create precise lines, adjust stroke thickness, and add shading, just like you would with a pencil or pen. But the real power of a graphic tablet is in its ability to seamlessly integrate your sketches into your design software. Whether you're using Photoshop to refine a rendering or SketchUp to develop quick three-dimensional models, a tablet lets you work with precision and fluidity. Many tablets now come with pressure sensitivity, which allows for dynamic control over line weight and opacity. This makes it easier to add detail and texture to your drawings, helping your designs stand out when presenting to clients or collaborators. Plus, because everything is digital, it's easy to make quick edits, undo mistakes, and even save multiple iterations of the same sketch. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, are transforming how architects interact with their designs and how clients experience them. With VR, you can put yourself directly inside your model, walking through spaces as if they were already built. This gives you a true sense of scale and proportion that you simply can't get from a two-dimensional plan, or even a three-dimensional model on a screen. VR tools like Inkscape or Twinmotion let you tweak details in real time so you can experiment with materials, lighting, and layout while fully immersed in your design. Augmented reality, on the other hand, overlays digital models onto the real world. This is especially useful during site visits where you can see exactly how your design will fit into its surroundings. AR apps allow you to visualize building footprints, heights, and relationships to other structures. Imagine being able to show your client a life-size representation of their future building right on the construction site. It's a powerful way to bring your ideas to life and communicate your vision clearly. Drones have become invaluable tools for architects, particularly when it comes to site analysis and surveying. They allow you to capture high-resolution images and videos from angles that would otherwise be impossible. This aerial perspective gives you a comprehensive view of your site and its context, helping you design in harmony with the surrounding environment. Whether you're studying topography, nearby buildings, or site accessibility, a drone can provide data that's crucial for informed decision-making. Some drones are equipped with 3D scanning capabilities, allowing you to create detailed topographic models of your site. These can be imported directly into your CAD or BIM software, streamlining the process of integrating your design with the landscape. Additionally, drones are great for documenting the construction process, capturing progress from start to finish, and creating impressive visual content for client presentations or marketing materials. 3D printing has revolutionized architectural model making. Gone are the days when building a detailed physical model took weeks of painstaking work. Now, with 3D printing, you can create highly detailed models in just a matter of hours. This technology allows you to experiment with complex geometries and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to construct by hand. It's not only faster, but also much more accurate, ensuring that every aspect of your model reflects your design intent. For client presentations, having a tangible model is incredibly impactful. It allows clients to physically interact with the design, getting a true sense of scale, proportion, and detail. Additionally, 3D printing makes it easy to iterate on your models. If you make a change to your design, you can simply print a new version without the time and effort involved in hand-building a new model. This flexibility is a game changer, especially in the early stages of design when revisions are frequent. Architecture isn't just about design, it's also about project management. When you're juggling multiple deadlines, teams, and phases of a project, staying organized is key to keeping everything on track. Tools like Trello and Asana offer a simple, visual way to manage tasks and deadlines. You can assign tasks to team members, track progress in real time, and set up timelines that keep everyone on the same page. For larger projects, especially those involving multiple stakeholders, tools like BIM 360 go a step further by integrating project management directly into your design workflow. With BIM 360, you can manage everything from design revisions to construction documents in one platform, ensuring that your project stays on schedule and within budget. It's particularly useful for large teams working on complex projects, where coordination and communication are critical to success. And there you have it, 10 essential tools that every architect should know about. From sketching your first ideas to managing the construction process, these tools will enhance your workflow, improve your designs, and help you deliver projects with precision and confidence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to Architect's Haven for more tips, tutorials, and insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What tools do you use in your practice? I'd love to hear from you.